In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money to your card on Payoneer. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process, making it simple and straightforward so you can effortlessly access your funds. Let's dive in. First up, you need to open your web browser. It could be any browser of your choice, whether it's Google Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Once you've done that, type Payoneer into your search bar and hit Enter. Click on the official Payoneer website link, which should typically be the first result you see. Now, aren't we all hoping to handle finances with ease? So, let's make sure you're on the right page to do just that. Next, you'll need to log into your Payoneer account. Use your existing credentials, your username and password, to access your account. If you're someone who frequently forgets passwords, it might be a good time to consider a reliable password manager. Once logged in, you should be at the main dashboard. Now, navigate to the Withdraw tab on the dashboard. From here, you want to select To Bank Account, as we're focusing on moving funds within Payoneer services today, more specifically from your balance to your card. It's usually straightforward as the options are clearly labeled. The following step involves choosing the currency balance, or specifically the Payoneer card, from which you intend to withdraw your funds. This is important because you might have multiple balances in different currencies, or several cards linked to your Payoneer account. Choosing the correct source ensures the right funds move to the intended card. After selecting your currency or card, enter the amount you wish to withdraw. It's a good practice to double-check this amount to avoid any unintended transactions. A quick mental note of your budget or spending needs might help guide this process. With the amount set, take a moment to review all the withdrawal details. This includes checking any fees that might be applied to the transaction. Pay attention here, as fees can vary based on the amount or the currency involved. Once every detail seems to fit what you intended, go ahead and click on the Submit button to authorize the withdrawal. And there you have it. Your funds will automatically be transferred to your Payoneer card from your available balance. This automatic process ensures that money gets where it needs to go without further intervention on your part. It's efficient and designed to give you peace of mind, knowing your funds are being handled securely. I hope this guide makes your next Payoneer transaction a breeze. By following these simple steps, you gain easy access to your money right on your Payoneer card, making financial management just a little bit simpler.